Hey guys, Michelle here, and today I'm going to show you how to reinstall your rear bench harness back on your stroller. So I like to start with the crotch strap, and you might have to take a little bit of your seat pad off to put this back on. So I'll show you moving it. You want to put it through the seat first, the seat cushion. Then you're going to go through this middle slot. Oops. Then reach under. It's going to go back up through this back spot. And then you're going to slip the fabric through, like so. Then you can move that down to the bottom. Slip your seat back on. And then reattach those straps under here. They get caught. Here they are. Okay, you're good there. Now for the waist straps, which are these little guys here. Remember, they go around the frame of the seat, back through behind that recline bar, and like so. Let me do the same with this one. It's a weird angle. There we go. Okay, through. There we go. There we go. Make sure it's straight. And look, I did this one wrong. You don't want to put it so far forward. You want to get it hooked behind this tab, like so. There we go. There you go. And that's how you replace your rear seat harness.